as ever today. You know my camera's super in, but today we're going to be I'm going to be showing you my slime. So it's pretty hard with the camera work. Sorry for the camera work. There we go. So this is the slime. There we go. Yes, you can probably see is quite poked already. Let me just add this to the side. It's like so hard. So this is just going to be making side peeps with this slime. So let's get started. First step is when they poke the bubbles. Can we see if there's any bubbles? Anything? Wait, so the slime's pretty bad for. When the lighting is fine, fine. So I think you guys are really like my slime. As you can see, it's a very nice color. I really love this color. I really enjoy it. Number 3, when they do know how to play the slime. Just like when it's too zoomed in. When it's too zoomed out. This is probably going to be when the slime looks like a big one, but it's actually a small one. But in real life, it's really tiny. When the person with the slime has a bunch of slime, but they only want to play with the tiniest spot. I'll be back in a when the person who's playing the slime is too savage, you know? Oops. This is really savage. I'm tired. Super slow pokes. Super fast. When they poked the slime in other video. Hey guys, this is a new video, so I'm gonna poke the slime. Looks like a brain. When the person just keeps the slime in its, especially when it's butter slime. Get it out! when the person plays with a real card. Sorry for the. So when the person plays with phone slime, sorry for that. It's just fun. Girl, come on, we have to go. Make them a video, sister, okay? Okay, fine. Sorry for that, guys. That was just my cousin and my sister. What the heck I was saying? Can you please get out of the room? I'm trying to make a video on your iPad. Shut up. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe and turn on the post notifications to get notifications whenever I make a new video. So bye, love you, and don't forget to like.